To customize Sidebar in Honor 600 Pro, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to navigate to Honor AI, and then we can enter Magic Sidebar. Now, first option allows you to either enable or disable the sidebar. Then we can customize it with a few of the options below. So we have launch mode. You can change how you access your sidebar, either by swiping inward from sidebar. That way we can simply swipe to the left like this, and that way open our sidebar. You can also switch it to swipe inward from screen edge. That way you will need to hold it for a couple of seconds to call it out. Then there's the option for a sidebar with two columns. That way you'll be able to see two columns of apps on the right. If you decide on one column, then you will see the one column that I had previously. You can enable or disable AI recommendation app icons that you can see in sidebar, and also you can hide or reveal app names. Now, to customize your sidebar, for example, icons, you can click on this three dots right here, and then on the pen in the top left corner, and then you can remove any icons that you want, and you can add whichever icons you like. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.